What's up, everyone? Happy Power Hour. It's Thursday afternoon, June 26th. Markets are up. Dow up 365, NASDAQ up 196, S&P up 44. Things are starting to pull back here a little bit, though. What have I done today? Again, another day of light trading as I'm just pausing my TLC trading just because I'm pausing that risk due to my drawback in June. So yeah, just got it paused. Got the TLC trading is the biggest risk that I trade, and so I've just kind of eliminating that risk for the time being to try to chip away at my drawdown that I'm in. So this morning I did what did I do here? I did an Elmo. Well, I guess first off, I booked about 700 and something in day trading. So trading CRCL or whatever that stock is that Steve likes. So booked a nice profit there. Then I did an Elmo in each account. I closed them out at about 22%. I think if I remember right, I closed them right as it looked like market was going to start pushing through highs of day, which would hurt that trade. So took those off at 22%. And then I tried another one a little bit later. Took those off at about 6-7%. So up 1,500 with a couple Elmos in each account. And then I've got a couple Woogas in each account going. So I sat there and didn't trade for quite a while. It's gotta tell you, it's definitely different. But up about 3K right now on the day, and I won't mess around here with price action. Looks like it is gonna go south. As I'm up, my Woogas are up about 20. One's up 20%, one's up 22%, and so that's about $860. Here, I'll see if I can show my Woogas here. So one, I did these more of like time wise. Put one on at 120 Central, and then I waited for price to move to where I could put on another one, so it wasn't. I fired them manually. This isn't part of my back tested. And then in my other account, I did the regular. I did 40 delta 10 wide, whereas this one's 40 delta 15 wide. But you can see here, 6140 is my sweet spot. That's the pin. So it's been right around there for a little bit. But you can see they're currently up $900. So I may decrease some risk here too. But you look at price action. Price has been pretty good all day. I mean, there's definitely some periods of time in there. You probably like with a TLC trade, I probably would have booked 20, 40, 60 out if I'd have been trading my TLC. But I had a nice green day yesterday without trading TLC, and I've got a nice one going right now. So again, just chipping away a little bit of my drawdown for June without having the type of risk that I put on whenever I have a TLC trade on. So it's mostly about the risk, really. It's not that I'm afraid to put one on or anything. Price action last couple of days certainly has allowed for it, but I've stuck with a couple Elmos and some Wooga style trades the last couple of days. In terms of stocks, Coinbase up another 5%, Airbnb up 3.3. Amazon up 2.5%. Meta up 2.5%. Apple and Tesla, they're in the red. PayPal, AMD, MSTR, Walmart, MU, DKNG, BABA, all are in the red. So there are stocks in the red. Nice job there, Watson. Yeah, I'm up. So I'm up 2,500 in my TLC account right now, and I'm up 800 in my smaller account. So that's, what is that, about 3,300. So hey, just trying to do low risk trades that. Yeah, I mean, what did I say yesterday? I was down, I think, to start this week, 34K or something for June between both accounts. So last couple days have helped. Yeah. Instead, I sent TLC to the bench, and again, the reasoning is because the Elmo is less risk than a TLC trade. So yeah, one of them was getting sent to the bench, and it was the TLC for me, just due to the risk level. So one move goes up 27%, one's up 20. Yeah, I haven't really taken a break from trading TLC. I mean, other than when I was like hunting, or I'd never just taken a break. But the last 2 days there was definitely some price action where I would have entered a TLC trade. Really, what, instead of doing that, I just entered an Elmo. Well, I mean, the Elmo is just, it's still an iron condor. It's just that it's a 25% profit target out and a 50% stop. So, when I'm doing 4 contracts, my max loss is going to be around $1,000, whereas my max loss on a TLC could be like $4,000. Yeah, TLC, I'm closing just the shorts, whereas in Elmo, you're closing all the whole thing. Yeah, that's another thing I could do too, Elliot. Correct. And I've thought about that, just sizing down in TLC. Yep, definitely thought about that. And I don't know, it's the last couple days. It's been some pretty choppy price action. It's been trending up, but there has been periods of time, like there was a long period of time today where it was in like a 5-point range. Like, yeah, that could just do a smaller TLC trade, which I may do that. Actually, that was something I was thinking about today. Trust me, I want to do a. I find myself wanting to be like, this would be a good TLC entry here, just because I'm so used to doing it. Getting a little bounce here now. Just needed to chop around 61.40 here for a bit longer. The thing about like a four lot TLC, I believe that's still going to be a full loss. There's still going to be more than a 4-lot Elmo, so that's why I've just stuck to Elmos for the last 2 days. It can be hard to put one on though when you're seeing such low premiums. Yeah, 75% stop loss for the TLC. Yeah, definitely pays better. But again, it's about the risk for me right now. I don't think Jake M is on the live stream. You're not a loser, Jake M. I feel like one too, trust me. So man, just kind of hovering around 61.40. That's what I wanted to do. As long as it stays pretty close to there, I'm just going to let things keep using theta decay to my benefit here. One's up 36%, one's up 22. I have considered, since this is a non-back tested Wooga day, taking a few contracts off as well. NASDAQ has just been pushing all-time highs. S&P has about 7 points to go. I don't know if it'll get there today or not. I think I'm going to go ahead and reduce some risk here at 36% in one of my Woogas. Kind of at a spot where, just for right now, my goal isn't to necessarily hit profit targets. It's just to make sure that I'm booking profits and staying green. A little bit of a down move helps my other Wooga. Now it's at 30%. I'll probably take a little bit of it off too here at about 35%. Man, it sure likes that 6140, doesn't it? What else is going on? How's everybody else's day going? How about Bix? Bix were probably good today, right? Is it like just the trend up hurts it? Gotcha. Let's see. I got in for my day trade today. My day trades. Was it CRCL? Is that what? Yeah, Steve likes. So I had a big volume bar. So on this pullback, I got in an upside volume runner. I accidentally closed, and it came down further on me. I tried to add to it down here, and I accidentally closed the contract out. So it popped back up, and I hit profit target. But then when it pulled back here, I got back in, and I rode this up. And when it rolled back over here, I ended up getting out of my final contracts. But it was like $730 or something. So that was nice. So is that a BIC there, Dev D? Oh, you're doing the discount double BIC, all 4 tranches. Okay. Sticking around 6140 there. Amazon went on a big tear earlier. My break even is 61.33 to the downside and 61.47 to the upside. So definitely have some room. It's been in a pretty tight range for a bit here. And my second Wooga approaching 35% now. With this little down move. All right. Took half off in that other account. All right. I'm going to take half off. Here we go. Closed half at 35%. So far, it doesn't look like we're going to rip up to highs. $20 minutes to go. So let me pull this over here. So is the MOC, is it just this right here? I got to change my stream again. Is it just this voice news here, launch, hit the play button? I mean, is that all? Is that all the MOC is? Is that where Steve gets that from? Oh yeah, because it's delayed, right? So Steve must be a paid member, huh? Gotcha. Yeah, I'm sure he is. Business write-off. Oh, it's only a few seconds. Okay. I'll play it at the end, or I'll play it when it gets close and see if it works. Let's see. One of my Woogas is at 38%. Need a little bit of a bounce here for one of them. Let's go back up and find that 6140 spot. Still coming down. Yep. There's a little bounce happening now. Yeah, no. Still coming down. Five minutes till MOC. Let's see if we can get a little bounce or if this is going to get a little end of day sell off. Been strong all day. Might be an interesting MOC. Got one Wooga at 40%, one at 35. And there's a little bounce. All right, let's get this financial juice thing going. Oh, what is that? All right, cool. Go ahead and take my Wooga off at about 42 and 38%.
Seconds.
2.6 billion sell side. All right. Start working on Mahomes, all right? And working the 45s. Filled on the 45s. All right, here we go. Let's see some movement here. Maybe it wants all-time highs. Need some movement away from 45. Yeah, 2.3 billion sell side. Let's get some movement here. Come back to that 40 spot. Oh man. Came down to 40, hit 40. It didn't lock me. What was up with that? That candle went below 40. Let's go. I need to get away. I need to get back down. Get back down to 40. 2.3 Billy Southside. Let's go. Come down. Man. Not sitting in a good spot right now. Man, come on. Get away from 45. Not looking good. Just sleeping at 45. Less than 2 minutes left. Got to do something here. My three lotter is going to turn into a loser. It has not moved off the 45. Minute and a half to go. Just sleeping on 45. Just realized no Steve today. Yeah, I thought we were going to get something there the way this bar opened and it dropped down below 40. Less than a minute to go. Get out of the valley, please. Out of the valley, please. Sell off, baby. Sell off. Let's go. Come down. Locked. Winner. Winner chicken dinner. With 5 seconds to go, baby. Oh, yeah. There is the bell. Ah, what a beautiful day. That was about $600-700 winner for me there. So what we got here? Final 61-41.05. So Mahomes gets it done in the final seconds again. So about 3,700 in one account and about 1,000 in another. So that'll work. Those dogs will hunt. All right, guys. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Be there in the live stream in the morning. We might get into some more CRCL. Have a good night, everyone. Peace.